If you use macOS Finder in list view, you will notice that while it displays the file size next to its name, it doesn't display the folder size. Instead, you get double dashes in the size column. macOS supposedly does this to keep the Finder operation fast. But worry not, in this guide, I will show you 5 different methods you can use to view folder size on Mac. While this feature is turned off by default, you can display folder size in list view in Finder. With the Finder open the View menu and click on the Show View Menu option menu item. Alternatively, you can hit the keyboard shortcut Command J. Enable the checkbox next to Calculate All Sizes and Finder will display the folder size. The drawback of this method is that Finder only shows folder size for the location you have enabled it in. macOS has a quick look tool that lets you preview a file without opening it in an app. You can use the same tool to display a folder size. Click to select a folder and hit the spacebar button. Below the folder name, you will see its size and the number of items it contains. While the above two methods work, my preferred way to view folder size on Mac is using the preview panel. You can enable this panel by going to the View menu and selecting the Show Preview option. Alternatively, you can hit the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-P to enable this panel. After you turn on the preview panel, click on a folder to display its size in the preview panel. Another way to visualize a folder size is by using the Get Info panel. To open the Get Info panel, click to select the folder and go to File, Get Info, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Command I. You can also select multiple folders simultaneously and hit the Command I keyboard shortcut to open the info panel for all selected folders. Once open, you can see the folder size in the info panel. The problem with Get Info feature is that it is static and doesn't change when you select another folder. You can solve this issue by using the Inspector panel. To access this option, hold down the Option key and open the File menu. You will notice that the Get Info option has been replaced by the Show Inspector option. Alternatively, you can hit the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-I to access the Inspector panel. This will display the same data as the Get Info panel, but it is dynamic. When you click on another folder, it will automatically switch to displaying its metadata. Here's a bonus tip for you. Go to the View menu and enable the Show Status Bar option. You can also do this using the Command/keyboard shortcut. Your Finder window will now display the remaining stories on your Mac. This is a quick way to keep an eye on remaining space without opening the System Settings app. And that's about does it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.